At the end of the 1800s, early 1900s, a missionary came over and the gospel took foot amongst the African folk. And at that stage, there was the gold rush and also the diamond rush. So African folk came from Mozambique, Malawi, they came from north all down to South Africa. And then they accepted the gospel. And because this thing started in Zion, they went back and started Zion churches. The missionary couldn't stay for long, and so he was retracted back, and so because there was an ongoing follow-up, there was quite a bit of syncretism, and so folk added Christianity to African traditional religion. And so now we've got millions of people calling themselves Zionists, all because of that initial work. They claim that name, and the doors are just open to come and teach now. There's a huge opportunity to come and preach the gospel and to say that there's only one mediator between God and man, and that's Christ.
Ngexesha langaphambili sisesebumnyameni singamaZioni, besingabantu abangakholelwanga phi eBhayibhileni, abakholelwe emadinini. Ndingeva futhi ngawe kakhulu, kodwa ndakuhlangana noYesu kwaqala kwashintsheka, ndangumuntu ophulaphulayo.
In our churches, they didn't talk about Jesus. They didn't tell us that he is a personal savior. They didn't teach about salvation. They believing in two things, God and ancestors. They worship the robes. They said you can't serve God without wearing the robes. You can't sing, you can't preach if you don't wear. The message of Jesus was new to me. Esikolweni sethu seZEPS kwaSurvey iBhayibhile siqala ekuqaleni kuGenesis soyikhupha kubani kwesityhilelo. Sithatha incwadi ethile phi eBhayibhileni andithi sihambe nayo le ncwadi isahluko nesahluko, ivesi nevesi, amagama antsokothileyo siwathini siwacacise. So kwa exegesis siyathini siyemba. Amen.
ZEB stands for Zion Evangelical Bible School. It's a 4-year Bible school program. We accept anybody into the program, but generally just the leaders. We try to go into their situation and have the class in their context so that they feel at home. Our goal is to train the local pastors to do the teaching. So as missionaries, we're trying to work ourselves out of a job. We're trying to pass on whatever skill we have so that they can in turn reach their own people.
I'm a teacher here at Bible College. So my father, he came to my class and I taught him the Bible. He accepted Jesus Christ as his personal savior, and even my mom, she's my student.
Tata masoleka ngoJune ke-15 wasoleka utata. Ndiqale ngokuhamba icawa. Kanti lonke la xesha xa umfundisi senifundela konke iright ndiyenzile. Manje ndisithi ndingumntana kaKristu, kubakho izinto ezifuneka bandiziyeke. Senifuna ndizichazele kulonyaka ukuthi kuzafuneka banditshintshe. Indlela zimbili. Kuzafuneka bandifuna uba ngumntana, ndiyazi bani ndizaba nezinto endiziyekayo. Yebo, thina sinelanga sifumana abantu abasuka kude bazosifundisa. Semisho ukutshintsha, ukuzinikela kuKristu umthanda. Xa ufuna uba uhamba noThixo, ufuna ube umntana. Akanyanzeli mntu. Kodwa into ufuna ibephi iphume kuwe.
They come to us and they're asking, you know, please come teach us the Bible, and we just can't reach the areas. The area's waiting for those who are passionate about souls, those who are eager to see people come to Christ and have a personal relationship with God through Christ. The doors are wide open, absolutely wide open.